August 28, 1963, a scorching summer day in Washington, D.C., witnessed the culmination of a historic movement. Amidst the sea of 250,000 civil rights activists, a man stood on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial, ready to deliver a speech that would echo through the ages. Martin Luther King Jr., the charismatic leader of the American civil rights movement, took a deep breath and began his address. His voice, resonant and powerful, reverberated across the National Mall, filling the air with a message of hope. "I have a dream," he declared, his words carrying the weight of a nation's anguish and the promise of a brighter future. King painted a vivid picture of a world free of racial discrimination, where his 4 little children would be judged by the content of their character, not the color of their skin. The crowd, moved by his eloquent words, erupted in applause. King's speech was a rallying cry, a call to action for those who had long been marginalized. It was a testament to the power of nonviolent resistance and the enduring belief in the American dream. Yet, the road to that dream was far from easy. The civil rights movement had faced countless challenges, from violent attacks to legal barriers. But King's speech served as a beacon of hope, a reminder that change was possible, and that the struggle for equality would continue until it was achieved. The "I Have a Dream" speech was more than just a powerful oration. It was a clarion call for justice, a rallying cry for a nation divided. It was a testament to the indomitable spirit of a man who dared to dream of a better world, and a reminder that the struggle for equality is an ongoing journey. In the years following the speech, King continued to lead the fight for civil rights, ultimately paying the ultimate price for his courage. But his legacy lives on, inspiring generations to come, and reminding us all that the dream of a truly equal America is still within our reach. The "I Have a Dream" speech was a pivotal moment in American history, a moment that encapsulated the hopes and dreams of a nation striving for change. It was a testament to the power of words, the power of hope, and the power of a dream. And while the journey towards that dream is far from over, King's speech serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards a more just and equal society.